Vinavil was founded last century in the Villadossola in Piedmont, in a context which enhanced the area's economy and development through the harnessing and exploiting of its hydroelectric potential. Already in 1922, with the industrial production of calcium carbide, in Villadossola acetylene was obtained. With the development of the glue sector, the brand Vinavil, the acronym of Vinylacetate Villadossola, came to light. In 1994 arrives MAPEI, a leading company in the sector of chemical products for the building and construction industry, acquiring from EniChem Synthesis the Villadossola and Ravenna plants which produced vinyl dispersions. The legendary company Vinavil S.p.A. of the mythical glue brand known throughout Italy was thus established in Milan, Italy. This proved to be a turning point, determining the rebirth of the company with important investments in research and development and with the acquisition and integration of new plants in Canada, in West Chicago and in 2003 also in Egypt. Thanks to the MAPEI Group, Vinavil in a few years is transformed into a global reality, already a market leader in Italy. It ranks amongst the world's top producers of vinyl and acrylic polymers, rising from 100,000 tons to 500,000 tons of global production capacity, with the objective of strong and sustained growth. The Milan headquarters coordinate the 3 research and development centers and the operational offices in Italy, Canada, the United States and Egypt. With over 450 employees, it offers comprehensive and highly qualified technical assistance in close contact with its customers. Every year, Vinavil invests in research and development and engages 12% of employees in the 3 research centers. Vinavil has always focused on sustainability, having participated since 1997 in the Responsible Care project, promoted by Federchimica and operating in the front line in its commitment to sustainable chemistry. Vinavil's production assures compliance with the highest safety standards for man and the environment, with particular attention to the reuse of production waste and wastewater. Vinavil products are characterized by very low emissions of volatile organic substances and are used as raw materials for the adhesive, paint, textile and construction industries, as well as in some niches such as the gum base for chewing gum and cheese coating production. Beginning with the 90s, the company obtained certifications for its management systems. Vinavil is a dynamic reality with a specific attention on market requirements. In line with the objectives of its customer intimacy policy, it aims at an ever closer relationship with its customers. Today, the Vinavil brand, in addition to being the legendary white glue known and appreciated throughout Italy as an adhesive par excellence, is also synonymous with cutting-edge sustainable technologies for the production of a wide range of vinyl polymers, acrylic, vinyl acrylic, styrene acrylic polymers, vinyl versatic and vinyl ethylene.